So starting the test drive in this 2500 HD Denali Ultimate. Love the DURAMAX. I like it in these Ultimates. I just feel like it makes sense. It feels good under throttle. It's a very simple powertrain in terms of just how it feels when you give it something. Just have a turbo V8, so nothing crazy there. I mean, I guess it is something crazy, but depends on how you look at it. It's made right for this truck, long story short. Now, what I like about these trucks is they can pull. I mean, 19,000 pounds is no joke. And you can start getting up in the 20s and, you know, get it equipped right, maybe low 30s, but I think for most applications, this is going to be enough power and enough truck for the majority of people. But I'm going to give it a little pull getting on the interstate. Not going to floor it, but going to give it a little something. Here we go. So again, I just kind of pushed it. I didn't get it anywhere close to the floor, but it got up to speed very nicely. I love the Allison, how it shifts. I love the DURAMAX, the sounds, the pull, everything. It feels really good. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro again for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I drove a 2500 LT Silverado. Basically the same truck in terms of the configuration, the towing capacity, the engine, everything. It was just cloth seats and these full grain leather seats, and then you throw in the steering wheel and everything. It just feels so much more luxurious in here than it does in that pickup. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, $99,694 is not cheap, but I think it's worth it when you look at this segment. I just drove a Silverado 2500 HD LT, cloth seats, no powered front passenger seat, no cooled seats. It was still 75 grand with the DURAMAX powertrain. Now, you go into a GMC, everything else is pretty much the same in terms of the capability, but you go into a GMC, you're paying a bit more money. You start to throw in the heads-up display, the cooled seats, the sunroof, the heated rear seats. I like what you get for this money if you're in that heavy-duty 3/4 ton space. Now, it's still not cheap, but really nothing, unless you buy a used truck, and that's still not cheap, is gonna come close to what prices used to be. So with all that being considered, I think $100,000 for a top of the line, basically luxury heavy duty truck it's a solid deal. It's like when you consider a G-Wagon. Yeah, I mean, is it worth 225 grand? Depends on who you're talking to. You look at a Maybach, is that worth 200 grand? If you can afford it, then probably, because there's so many amenities there. That's why these still sell. It's not like nobody's buying these vehicles. But overall, I mean, you get a solid working truck here. It's a luxury heavy duty truck. So your construction managers, the owners of these properties that are being built, or even somebody that just wants to tow their $100,000 camper behind them, this is who that's for. If you're trying to be on a budget, this is probably not the truck for you. But it's fascinating how much technology can be put into a vehicle when you consider these seats massage. This has a sunroof, heads-up display. There's just so much that you get for this money. And then adaptive cruise control as well in a 3/4 ton truck is just it's a great feature. I'm just glad we're coming so far with this technology. But all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali Ultimate.